So the other thing that I want to point out that's really important is if you go to your master channel, you'll notice that I have, or my master channel, sorry, not your master channel, but my master channel has what's called a limiter. Okay, this is what's technically a brick wall limiter, and it's recommended, especially if you're going to be doing DJ sets and you're going to be recording the set, using songs that have already been mastered. Okay, something that you have to watch out for is what we call clipping or digital distortion, digital clipping, and that's where the signal in the master channel will become will turn red. So if you put a limiter, and by the way, the limiter is accessed if you look up in Ableton. It's just in your audio effects. So here, a quick way to find this, Command F, and just type in limiter. Okay, the limiter is a great way to help without having any sort of digital clipping. Because let me just demonstrate. If I hit play on both of these tracks at the same time, oh, hold on. Okay, and watch. If I turn the limiter off, watch this. Yeah, you see my master? Look at my master turning red. And then when I turn the limiter back on, okay, the tracks are no longer clipping. So how's that working? The limiter, basically being a brick wall compressor, is making sure nothing goes past the ceiling mark. Okay, it's not allowing it to punch through and causing clipping. So this will save you, especially if you're doing a live show and you're playing on a big stage. Yeah, you don't want to blow the speakers. You don't want to blow your eardrums. You don't want to blow your headphones. This limiter will help you make sure that you don't do that, okay? So be careful of that. You can still cause distortion, but at least you won't blow your speaker system. Because in Ableton, being that it's a digital audio workstation, yes, you could be sending signals that can get quite loud. So you want to be careful with that, okay? So definitely recommend having a limiter. Now, you don't have to use Ableton's limiter. There's different types of limiters out there, third-party ones, but Ableton's limiter is, suffice it to say that this would be completely fine. This one works well in Ableton.